All right, so here we have our example of the difference between raster and vector. We have 4 images here. On the top, we have 2 small images, and on the bottom, we have those images enlarged. The one on the left is a raster image, the one on the right is a vector. While they are small, it's not easy to notice the differences, but once they are enlarged, you begin to see that the vector image retains its sharpness, and the raster image on the left begins to look blurry. Now, this is the code. We have the initial raster image, which is PNG, and the vector, which is SVG. So, scalable vector graphics. Now, then below we have those images stretched to height and width 200. Let us take a look at the PNG. This is the PNG, and we can reduce it. When we increase it, it begins to look blurry, and that is natural for raster images like PNGs. When you stretch it, it begins to look blurry unless you have a higher resolution version. But when we go to the vector, notice the code that powers the image. You have some code here, and I could actually tamper with it so that it proves that this is actually what is constructing this image. So as I play with the numbers, notice how some parts of the image is being affected. Now, you don't necessarily need to code your vector graphics. You have generators that generate the code based on the graphics you want. And because there is a code, the system can easily scale this image to a larger image by using the code.